Hello everybody and welcome to SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Ryobi Corner Cat Finish Sander. It is model number CFS1503GK. It is a corded sander, just vibrates, very similar to like a sheet sander, just is able to get into a corner, and even less than a 90-degree corner as well. And so pretty handy little finish sander. Just vibrates, so it doesn't take a ton of material off at a time, but it does do a pretty good job for finish sander, and again, it's able to get into those tiny little spaces. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to win this set, don't forget to subscribe. We will be giving this away to a subscriber at the end of February 2023. Being as small and new of a channel as we are, you probably have a pretty good chance of winning it if you subscribe. So please don't forget to subscribe. This is for a 18-volt brushless drill driver with a 2.0 battery, a bag, and a charger. Thanks again, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Step one with these is going to be putting on the paper when you first get them. And so on the bottom, there is going to be a Velcro pad, just like on a orbital sander, and then it's going to come with paper like this. You'll want to kind of, as best you can, center it and line up your holes. Try that one more time here. That way your dust has somewhere to go, and so there's that for you. Once you do that, there is a bag that will tension on and off. So if you pull it off right there and then just twist it and tension it on, and then it just has an on and an off button. So that's on and that's off. It also does come with a rest that will line up with those holes. Also, if you put paper on here that wasn't necessarily for this, or your holes are off, this will re-punch your holes through again for dust. So that's what that is. And we're going to go ahead and give you a little example and take a little bit of the top off of this. Alright guys, and so that is the Ryobi Corner Cat Finish Sander. It also does come with this little case and a couple of other pads as well, and there's even a little pocket to hold the pads when you put it away. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. By the way, we are giving away this entire kit at the end of February, which is coming up here real soon. It is a Milwaukee brushless M18 drill driver, a 2.0 battery, a bag, and a charger. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thanks so much for watching. If anybody has any other questions, please let us know, and we will see you in our next video. Thanks, guys.